Welcome in my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about histogram. So this is the sequence of statistics. Before this video I have made 3 videos on statistics. So this is the part 4. So in this video I'm going to discuss about histogram and why I am drawing histogram to find mode. So how to find mode from histogram, and in this video I have taken continuous frequency distribution as per the syllabus of class 10th. So all the question in this exercise 21.4, you will see that there will be a continuous frequency distribution. Identify classes like this, intervals, continuous intervals will be given to you, and frequency of each interval is also given to you. This is called continuous frequency distribution. So such distribution will be given to you. This is called continuous frequency distribution. You have to find mode. By using histogram. So start from this question. In this question it is written that draw a histogram for the following distribution and find the mode from the graph. So this graph is given to you. Now I will tell you how to draw histogram. So I have a graph paper with me. Some of the work I have done already and I am telling you how to do. First of all, see your classes, because the classes will be taken on x-axis, right? On x-axis. So starting from 0, so this is 0, then 5, then 10, 15, 20 and so on. So each width is representing a distance of 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15. So classes will be taken on x-axis. Now the frequency. So see the frequencies 2, 5, 18, 14. You have to adjust your y-axis, that is vertical axis, according to the given frequency. So I have chosen this like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So now see the question again. I have shaded it with the green color. Why? Because amongst all the frequencies, this is the greatest frequency, 18. So this is called your model class, 10 to 15. This is your model class. Now see the procedure. So you have taken interval on x-axis and frequencies on y-axis. So each you see the rectangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 rectangles and the width of each rectangle is equal to the 5. Okay, 5. But what is the height of each rectangle? See, this is the height 2. Why? Because 0 to 5, you see 0 to 5 there was 2. So the height of the rectangle is 2. Then in 5 to 10 there was a height of 5. So 5 to 10 you have to take the height. Between 4 and 6 there is a 5. Similarly 10 to 15 the height was 18 and it is the the greatest rectangle. Okay, the longest rectangle. And I have marked it model class here and here. You see model class, because this is the rectangle corresponding to the maximum frequency, and the length of rectangle is maximum. So all rectangles I have made. Now this is called histogram. This is the histogram has been drawn, but you have to find mode. So what is the procedure of finding mode? Okay, watch it carefully. I'm showing you how to find mode. Come to the longest rectangle. So the corner of this and the next rectangle, you have to join these two corners. Joined? Similarly, see this corner you have to join with, with this next rectangle. You have to join these two rectangles corners. Okay, so you have drawn these two lines like this. Okay, this corner to that corner and this corner to that corner. Now where these are intersecting with each other, so now these are intersecting here. Now draw a vertical line which is intersecting the x-axis at this point. Where it is intersecting, this is intersecting here. Now you have to count on x-axis. Each two portion, it means 1 and 2 portion is belonging to one unit. So 10, then 12, 11, then 12, then 13, and it is 14. It is 14. So what is your mode? After looking at x-axis, the mod is 14. Okay, so I am telling you the procedure again. You have to join this corner to that corner and this corner to that corner, and you are doing this joining of the corner in the longest rectangle. Okay, now where these two lines are intersecting, that the point here, now you have to draw a vertical line which is intersecting the x-axis at that point, and between 10 to 15 there are 10 points. So each 2 point is equal to 1 when you are counting 11, 12, 13, and this is 14. So this is your mode. So whenever you are doing such calculations, so maybe plus minus 0.5, okay, plus minus maybe happen, like some can estimate 13.5 and some can estimate 14.5. So that error is acceptable. So now come to the next question. So first question is done. Now see the second question. There is a data. The question is a mathematics aptitude test of 50 students was recorded as follows. So this data is given. Again you have to draw histogram and you have to find mode. So I am doing question number second. So as in previous question, you have to take class interval on x-axis. So because in this question your first class is starting from 50. So what about below classes like 0 to 50? So if you are starting from 0, then you will have a long x-axis which we cannot accommodate in this graph. So what we have done, we have drawn a kink. It means we have folded x-axis here because we have to start from 50. It is the problem in the question because first interval is starting from 50. So we have taken 50, then 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So all widths are equal. All rectangle are having equal width. But the height of the rectangle will be taken according to the frequency. So first frequency 50 to 60, the frequency is 4. So in 50 to 60 you have to take a width here to here, this is 4. In next interval it is given 8. So now you have to take 8, and in this way you have drawn a histogram. So histogram has been drawn. Now you have to find the mode. So you know the procedure. This is the longest rectangle. So this corner we are going to join. This corner we are going to join with this. Similarly, this corner too we are joining to the next rectangle, this way. So we have joined. Now these two lines are intersecting at this point. So you have to draw, from here you have to draw a vertical line. So, and you have to see where this vertical line is intersecting the x-axis. So 80 to 90 there are 10 parts. So 81, 82, 83. So your line is intersecting at 83. So your mode is 83 and plus minus 1 error can be there. So you can estimate by your own way. Now come to the third question. So third question is written here. Watch. Using a graph paper, draw a histogram. Again, you have to draw a histogram of the given distribution and you have to find the mode. So all questions are similar. Okay. Now again, this data is starting from 3000 to 4000. It means you have to make a kink on x-axis, and here we have, because your data is starting from 3000. What about the previous axis? So we have folded x-axis and this is called your kink. So first limit is 3000, then according to the interval 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000 and up to 10,000. Sorry, 10 is less, so it is up to 10,000. Now see what height you have to take for each rectangle. So 3000 to 4000 you have to take 4, 3000 to 4000 you have to take 4, the 4 have taken. Now 4 to 5000 there is 18, so height is 18. Now 5 to 6 the height is 9. So histogram has been drawn, and this is the model class because we have a longest rectangle in this range 4000 to 5000, and in the question also I have shaded with green because this is having maximum frequency and this is called model class. So now repeating the procedure, this is your longest rectangle. You have to join this line to this line and I have already joined. Okay, so joining it again, no problem. So you have to join this to this and then this to this. You have joined. Now these two lines are intersecting each other at this point. Now you have to see where it is falling on x-axis. So draw a vertical line from here. You have to draw a vertical line. So here it is intersecting. Now you have to count 4000 to 5000. It means each unit is 100. So 4100, 4200, 4300, 4400, 4500 and it is 4600. So on x-axis you have to count this. So this is your mode. So mode is 4600. This is your mode. So this was the video about the mode. In next video you will study about what do you mean by ogive. So keep watching my video guys. Thank you very much.